Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to overcome WhatsApp frequently expired. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. To overcome WhatsApp frequently expiring, you need to update the app through your device's App Store to the latest version. Other solutions include restarting your phone, checking your internet connection, and ensuring your device date and time are set correctly, which can help resolve the issue if due to a time discrepancy. So, first, you have to check on your WhatsApp settings. From here, you can go to storage and data. Sorry. You can scroll down. You can go to app update. You have to make sure that your auto update is on. So your WhatsApp will be automatically update when it's time to update. And you can check on your Play Store. You can go to your profile. Choose on settings. Network preferences. Select on auto update apps. You can select on update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. So your WhatsApp will be automatically update when it's time to update the app, the WhatsApp. So your WhatsApp will no longer uh, frequently expired. It's very simple, right? So that is how to overcome WhatsApp frequently expired. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.